your thing, do your thing, do your
I know that I got a big personality and a strong magnetism too, but it often seems to keep good people away from me. I don't know why that is. I got a black and hollow soul and money on my mind. Don't let no one near me unless it pays off in the long run. I run things around here and you're part of my staff. I got everything planned and we got goals to reach. I keep them to my left, I keep them to my right, always making sure that the attention is mine. And sometimes I give a drink just to keep them satisfied, and sometimes I get a kick out of wasting their time. People on the street, please give it up for Mr. Big Personality and his staff. Papa, am I ambitious? Mama, am I being good? Sisters, do you love me?
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
Personality, you're on his team. He got loads of opinions and you always agree. He's doing enough living for the both of you, and that's just as well since you have no time on your own. And now that you're in, you desperately need some time off.